So we're gonna make tea out of about a teaspoon of milk thistle. I'm going to add boiling water, a cup. And we're gonna let this steep for 20 minutes. Now let's talk about milk thistle. Milk thistle has a component called sylimarin, and it has been studied a lot, and it's very, very good for repairing your liver. It's great for your kidneys and your pancreas as well. It's recommended that you take this in moderation, not more than 3 times a week. You can take it whenever you want during the day. It doesn't matter, it's not gonna affect your sleep or anything like that. So you can have it on an empty stomach with food, it doesn't matter. What matters is that you don't overdo it. Also that you ask your doctor if you can take it if you're ill, please. And yeah, this is the most powerful herb out there to help you regenerate your liver. It detoxifies kidneys, pancreas, good for your body. It is full of antioxidants. It does have side effects with some medication. It can produce allergies. So again, be careful, do it in moderation, and this should help you. This is a pleasant tea. It has like a woody, earthy flavor to it. Not bad at all. If you want to sweeten it, you can. It's not necessary. It's pretty good. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.